This sit-stand desk is a game changer for me. I have a big shop but a small table saw, so to rip full sheets of plywood is very hard. I've been making these comic book cabinets for a local comic book store, and this sit-stand desk has been fantastic. I can do cross cuts and get really accurate cuts. You can program each button to a different height. The one thing I would do is replace the top. It came in two pieces. They're already breaking apart, so I would replace that with a half sheet of plywood. Let me know what you think and if you've ever used this in the shop. It works really well. Please like and subscribe.